Hello everyone, we've decorated the studio here at Video Revealed. I'm Colin Smith. I just wanted to make a special episode, a quick shout out to everyone and thank them and wish them happy holidays, Merry Christmas, whatever you happen to celebrate out there. We want to send all of our wishes. My wife Patty and myself want to say thank you to everyone who supports us, all the wonderful people that give us great comments. You know, YouTube can be a bit of a nasty place sometimes, but not here. We get so many wonderful comments and we thank you so much for all of that. And down at the bottom, you'll notice our extra special PayPal donors who we thank so much. Patty and I are very, very happy to have such wonderful people supporting us so we can continue to make great tutorials. We've got lots more. I've got a long list of things. We're not stopping anytime soon. We're gonna create more and more and more. If you want something to be a tutorial, you can definitely leave a comment. So thanks for everyone's support. Thanks so much for our PayPal donors. We could all use a little extra love in this world today. And with this happiness that we have between me helping you and you telling me how much I've helped you, oh gosh almighty, it's just wonderful to have this kind of an environment here. It makes me to continue to work hard to do these things for you. So here's hoping from Patty and myself that you have a healthy and happy 2019. Thanks for all of your support so far. We really do appreciate it. Happy holidays, and we'll see you on the next episode.